confession that you're my obsession. You're pulsing through me. The blood is rushing and I am trusting you'll come save me. My knees are feeling weak. Your body's close to me. I want you to come rescue me.
Treasure chest, and let's see how it turns. I'm going to go ahead and scramble it. And it doesn't cut corners very well, but you know, you wouldn't really expect it to, would you? If you're going to have a hollowed out Rubik's Cube, you wouldn't expect that to cut corners very well. Did I just solve it by mixing it up? Oh my goodness, that's never happened. I was mixing it up, and apparently the way I mixed it up, I solved it. I'm gonna have to go back and look at all those moves. But I thought I was just giving random moves. Wow, that is weird.
My knees are feeling weak. Your body's close to me. I want you to come rescue me.
Oh, dude, nice. Oh, I'll make that pair. Yeah. Yeah, I believe in you, man. Come on, you can do it. Go, go. Come on. Yes. No. Stop. God dang it. Stop. No. Dude. F R. No, that was not. That's an N. Okay. Stop. 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 Yes. Okay, 14.5. Are you ready? Yeah. All right, I've heard this solve's really easy.
Not Kevin. We have
World record!
Whoa, what the?
Sorry, I forgot what he meant. I was judging. You ready? Yeah. Wait, is that a 10 by 10? Is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wait, right?
It is!
What the heck?